Hi, it's Ronnie with Plan to Eat, and today I want to show you the updates that we made to the Prep Notes feature in Plan to Eat. We made these updates to both the Plan to Eat app and the website, so you can do this from either place if you have a preference for where you like to use Plan to Eat. So if you're not familiar with Prep Notes are a note that you can add inside a recipe and then assign it to a certain number of days ahead of time so you remember to do an action. You can see I have multiple recipes here and they each have a prep note associated with them. So the minestrone soup has a prep note the day before it to chop onion, celery, and carrots. The chili recipe has a dice onion and peppers prep note, etc. So once you have prep notes added to your recipes, when you plan those recipes here on your calendar, as you can see, they're going to show up on the calendar. So when you open your Plan to Eat app, you remember the prep step that you listed in that recipe and you can get it done ahead of time. So the update that we recently made to the prep notes feature is that the prep notes can now be moved around on your planner just like a regular note can. So while you can still assign it to 1 day to 30 days ahead of your recipe when you create the prep note, once it's on your calendar, you can move it around to have a flexible prep schedule. So I think I want my prep day to be the Sunday before these recipes happen so that I have time on the weekend to actually do all of this chopping and dicing. So all I need to do is tap and hold on the prep note, just like you do for rescheduling any of your recipes. And then I can move these prep notes to a specific day. I'm going to move both of these over to the same day. So that way I remember on Sunday that I need to dice some onions and peppers. I need to chop onion, celery, and carrots. Now you can see I have a third prep note here, which is to thaw the chicken for this meatball appetizer recipe. And I think I'm going to leave that the day before because that's more important to happen the day before I actually create that recipe. So the prep notes are really flexible now. You can leave them where you originally assigned them, but you can also move them around just like I did to create a specific prep day in your schedule. If you have questions about this, please email us at help@planteat.com. We'll be super happy to help you. I'm also going to link a help article in the description of this video if you'd like a little more of a step-by-step guide. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon.